Making money online is an exciting opportunity, but it can be difficult to know where to start. You need to have the right knowledge, the right skills, and the right attitude. That's why it's important to research the various online business ideas and opportunities available and find the one that's right for you. In this video, we'll share the secrets to making money online and provide some tips and tricks to help you get started. There are a number of different ways to make money online, and it's important to understand the pros and cons of each method before you start. Here are some of the most popular ways to make money online. Affiliate marketing. You can make money by promoting other people's products or services and earning a commission for each sale you make. Freelancing. You can offer your services as a writer, designer, developer, or virtual assistant and make money for each job you complete. Blogging. You can create a blog around a subject that you're passionate about, then monetize it by promoting products or services related to your topic. E-commerce. You can create an online store and sell products or services to customers all over the world. Online surveys. You can sign up for survey sites and make money for each survey you complete. These are just some of the ways to make money online. It's important to understand that making money online doesn't happen overnight. You need to be patient and consistent, and you also need to be willing to put in the time and effort to make your online business a success. With the right knowledge, skills, and attitude, you can start your online business and begin making money online.